Let me talk to you like a human, not like a YouTube video. If you're watching this, you're probably not lazy. You're tired. Tired of starting and stopping. Tired of promising yourself this time will be different. Some of you want to work on social media. You see people on YouTube and think, why not me? But no one tells you the truth. It's lonely. It's slow. And at the start, nobody cares. Some of you just want to make your parents proud. Not for clout, not for money, just so one day they can say, I'm proud of you, without hesitation. And some of you are fighting your own body. You look in the mirror and don't recognize yourself. You don't hate food. You hate how undisciplined you've become. Here's the part no one says out loud. Your goals are different, but your problem is the same. You're trying to change your life all at once. That never works. Real change doesn't come from motivation. It comes from keeping promises to yourself when no one is watching. If you want to grow on YouTube, stop chasing views. Chase one upload done properly. One video you're proud of, then repeat. If you want to make your parents proud, stop waiting for a big moment. Respect your time. Show consistency. Parents don't want perfection. They want effort they can trust. If you want to lose fat, forget extremes. You don't need a perfect diet. You need to move your body even on days you don't feel like it. 10 minutes. Then 10 again tomorrow. Here's the real truth. Your life won't change because of one big decision. It will change because of small actions you stop quitting on. You don't need to prove anything to the world. You need to prove something to yourself. And the moment you do that, everything else starts to follow.